Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Omniscient, omnipotent, omnipresent. All attractive, God of light. All enjoying, God of sound. Faith makes things possible. The spiritual guidance of the age must provide that all issues can be imbibed with God consciousness. There will always be effects of external modes upon us. Life is not limited to the terms of this world. Corporal punishment is a deterrent and a spiritual mercy. The spiritual path of this age does not necessarily require pain in this age. Don't worry about death and difficulty, but spiritually prepare to respond in those moments. Judges are supposed to be on the side of the criminals. Sinful activity should be abandoned and atoned for as soon as it is realized. A person shouldn't repeat their mistakes. Much of right and wrong is inherent. Realization. Without further realization. Marriage is not just a relationship, but an agreement to sacrifice one's sexuality to each other on religious terms. Atonement and education should be for perfecting character. Study of sacred scripture can give us the mentality to be ready for the method of purification. Humanity is in asking why. It was considered that Europe and America descend from the warrior or ruler class. To solve the personal and societal problems, a voluntary difficulty is often needed. Paradigm shifts take time. It is not always materially possible to perform the 8 limbs of yoga or some system of tantra, but enough of such a system of morals, observances, postures, breath control, awareness, concentration, contemplation, and integrating consciousness will be available enough, and there is help in such spiritual communities. Nevaravadan anuvartate matih svayavalokeramato mahamunneh yatha gatir devamanosyayoh perhak Svafa dharamena param krishapet satata. And focus on your own duty and your own consciousness rather than focusing on criticizing others. Sometimes people transcend some of the regulations that most people would have to follow, but humans travel on Earth, and we have to live in those terms, much in the way that the light beings